This is my Arroz Caldo. It's a Filipino dish. And I've got the green tea drinks in here. This Arroz Caldo got microgreens, mustard microgreens. Bon appetit! This is how I prepared my Arroz Caldo. We need a minced garlic, 6 cloves of garlic. We need also shallots, 5 pieces. Gonna slice it. And we need ginger, julienne slice. And we need also spring onions for toppings, garnishing. Wash thoroughly and chop it into small pieces. And set aside, put in a small bowl. And we need also chicken stock, 1 or 2. I put 2 pieces of it. And of course we're gonna wash the chicken. You can put any kinds of chicken, part of chicken breast, or I like a small drumlet and chicken wings with the bones, because it's more tastier. And I add 1 cup of local rice. It's jasmine rice, it's fragrance. And I add also a 1 cup of glutinous rice as well. Then wash it thoroughly. I've got plain rice and glutinous rice mix all together. These are all my ingredients that I prepared. We also need ground pepper and fish salt and olive oil or plain cooking oil. I'm gonna cook it here because it's convenient to cook here, even though 1 or 2 hours. Slow cook, DIY. I'm gonna set on DIY, so I'm gonna cook it here. Set on temperature is 100 and 1 hour first. Set on and heat it up and wait for until heating up high. And put the cooking oil, olive oil if you want it to. I use the olive oil. And put the garlic first. takes a long while before heating up this rice cooker. I use this rice cooker because you can bake it, put in a pressure cooker and do it in yourself DIY. Gonna start now. Saute garlic until a little bit brownish and put the shallots and ginger as well. And cover it for until it's get caramelized little bit. If you want to use in a stove, it's easy, it's fast. We can add the chicken. Slow cook. I add the chicken. Mix all together all the ingredients. Put the chicken cubes. I'd like to put 2. And I put the chicken stock 2 pieces until melted. And 1/4 quarter teaspoon of ground pepper. You can add more if you want. We're gonna cover this until the chicken is get a little bit brownish. 15-20 minutes. It's sizzling, get brown a little bit. Look at the chicken and mix with ground pepper and mix my rice with glutinous rice. This is more sticky if got mix a glutinous rice and it tastes nice also. Tastes good. This is how I cook the Arroz Caldo. It's a Filipino dish in Philippines, but in English or Chinese they call it congee. But we all have different kinds of cooking this because I put a lot of ginger, it's more tastier. I boiled some water, put it here so it's fast heating up. I add 1.5 of hot boiling water. This congee is good for 8 to 10%. You can add more liquid after if it's so much sticky. And I put a squeeze of fish salt. You can stir it for a while because it's never stuck and get burned until the end. This is I use is the non-sticky, but if you use the stove it's easy get burned if you never get low fire. I use the slow cook and I'm gonna mix with this microgreens. It's ready to harvest. This is mustard. Look at this beautiful mustard. It's fresh one. You can put this on top of the conte. I've got here a new one. It's called flax seeds. It's two kinds of different. Got the flax seed with soil and the flax seeds with two. I used the cloth one, but I'm gonna use this mustard microgreens. Yeah, I'm still cooking my chicken. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna wash this microgreens. I'm gonna get some few of this. I never cut it all because I want only the little few of this mustard. I will not cut it all. It's better to cut in fresh one if you use it or eat it. It's more fresh and crunchy. put some in a bowl, big bowl, and I'm gonna wash my microgreens before I forgot. Just a quick wash. I can't use this in a spin vegetable spin because it's too little. I use the strainer. It's easy. wash it because sometimes they still have the soil, so that's why you can't eat it. Wash thoroughly and dry it little. I'm gonna use only this on for toppings. Look at this. Yummy! It's complete. More nutritional and healthy food. And you got put in a garlic dry, but you can cook it in a fresh one, but so lazy today. I use the ready-made garlic. This is my Arroz Caldo. It's a Filipino dish. And I've got the green tea drinks in here. This Arroz Caldo got microgreens, mustard microgreens. Bon appetit!